Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the GM certified 2015 GMC Terrain Denali, stock number Z7722A. 20,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Terrain brand new, summit white in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Terrain's a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's Top Safety Pick. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. This Terrain has advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, forward collision alert, lane departure warning, backup camera, and rear parking sensors. Power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear, with additional storage cubbies on both sides, as well as power outlet. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Denali has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, upgraded Pioneer sound system, power seat with memory settings for 2 drivers, power moonroof, gauges with driver information system. It's also where you set the forward collision alert, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, navigation to get you where you need to go, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, and Stitcher radio apps. And that's, of course, where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, as well as economy mode. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Large glove box with the owner's manual inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof and liftgate control. Under the hood, this Terrain has a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower. And of course, just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 32 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.